Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft. Com with the correct email. This puts you in the account hub where recovery materials live. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is available and your phone or authenticator app is nearby. You'll need the code. Open a new tab for security settings so you can switch back if prompts appear. If a permission dialog appears, allow it to view security info. This step ensures you can access the recovery key area without Next, navigate to security, then advanced security options. This section organizes password, verification methods, and recovery keys. Scroll to find a recovery key listing, often under BitLocker keys or recovery keys, and click to view details. When prompted, enter the 2FA codes sent to your phone or authenticator app to prove it's you. Once authenticated, the interface will display your recovery key or give options to download or copy it. Make sure you choose a secure save method, like an encrypt. Finally, save the recovery key immediately. Download the file, copy it into a secure password manager, or print it and store it offline in a safe. Do not leave it in an email or plain text. Make sure to label the key and associate it with the correct device so you can retrieve it later. If you don't see a key, use the account recovery flow or contact Microsoft support. As a troubleshooting tip, clear browser cache or try a private window if security pages fail to load.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.